What's going on, guys? So right here, right now, I want to talk about what you should optimize for: view content, add to cart, or purchase when it comes to your Facebook ads, and specifically for products that you're selling, like Shopify products, dropshipping products, and so on and so on. I'm making new videos every single day talking about Facebook ads, Shopify, all of these processes to make you an extremely good Facebook ad buyer. So make sure to hit that subscribe button ASAP. So before I get into showing or like talking about view contents, add to carts, and all that, I need to get a product up on my store. And don't worry, it only takes like 2 minutes. Let me just try to find something here. Maybe that's trending: rings for women, solar light, running shoes. Let's do crossbody bags for women because I see it's trending. I'm going to search by orders. And this is a topic that I get asked like every single day, literally. So let's go ahead and pick this one. This one looks like it has some good images here. And people just want to know, hey, what do I start with? When launching new products, do I start with view contents, add to carts, or purchases? So let me just go ahead and answer that in 1 second. Once I get this product all set up and launched, it only takes me just a couple minutes, but let me go ahead and import it here. Import list. What do you want to call this? Tassel, over the shoulder, crossbody tassel bag. I don't know how to spell. And this description. Oh well, I need to get to the content in this video. 1995 and 39.95. Okay, perfect. Let's import to the store, and I am almost there. So usually the way I like to do it is, it really depends on your pixel, right? So let's go ahead and launch this real quick. Create ad chill, make the video. It's so funny because people ask me also, like, I think I might have already launched a video about this, but like, how many products do you test per day? As many as possible. Let's say comment yes if you love. Put a heart there. Let's put a thumbnail. Let's call it cross. Click make video. Let's grab the link. Okay, so the video is being created, and we're just about to be at the point where I pick my optimization. And it is really, really key that you pick the correct optimization. And like I was saying, it really just depends on where you are in the process. If you're like me right here, where I'm launching a brand new product, I will usually target view content or add to cart. And what decides what I honestly kind of do it randomly. Like, one product I'll test view content, one product I'll test add to cart. But the reasoning behind this, and you can see the videos made, the reasoning behind this is those are easy for Facebook to get. And you can see this is where I'm doing my targeting. So I like have tassel, I have handbags, and then AdChill goes and finds more that are similar to that. So like Michael Kors is probably good, Runway Fashion, Just Fab. Okay, cool. And let's go ahead and go hit next step. I'm building out my campaign right here, so grab yours. And then here we go. I can pick my add to cart, view content, or purchases. So for a new product, I usually don't do purchases. And that is because with Facebook, their suggestions, my rep, everybody else's rep, they all say, hey, you want to get 50 conversions in the first 3 days or so. So if you think you can get 50 purchases in the first few days of a brand new product, go for it. But I highly doubt that unless you're doing huge budgets. You know what I'm saying? Like, I do probably $3 to $5 budgets, and you saw I picked 5 different interests, so it's going to create 5 ad sets. So it's going to be $15. So the one that I can get 50 conversions on is view content for sure. I mean, if it doesn't get 50 conversions, I probably kill the product. But I can also probably get add to cart. So I'm always picking one of these like higher up the funnel conversions, because I want to feed Facebook what they want. They say they want 50 conversions. Okay, well, let's get you 50 conversions, and then later I'm going to move to purchase. So the very correct way to do this would be to do it this way. You pick view content because it's a brand new product, right? So I'll say like, isn't this crossbody cute? And I would pick my page, pick my pixel, and I'd say, hey, view content. Because I know for, 3 times 5 interest, which is 5 different ad sets, it's going to be $15 going to women 25 plus. I should be able to get 50 conversions, 50 view contents, because that's just them opening up the Shopify store and browsing around the page, right? So I should be able to get 50 in the first 3 days off $15. Let's see. Let's say it's $1 view content, that's 45, but I probably wouldn't keep it if it was $1 view content. So if it was at 75-cent view content, then that would be more than 50. And then what I would do is, since I got 50 view contents, I would move it to add to cart. So I would just go into the same campaign, select all of them, and then say, hey, add to cart conversion now. Once it got 50 add to carts, and it's still doing well, I mean, the campaign's still running, I might have turned it off by now, by the way, if it's not showing me good results, like gain some purchases and whatnot. You check out my other video for that, but pretty much I do like 2 to 3 times the margin, then turn off. But now I'll switch it to add to carts, right? And then if I'm doing really well, like I'm getting a lot of sales, eventually I'm going to go to purchases, because purchases, it's saying, hey, Facebook, go find me buyers. You know who buy things online. Go find me more of those so I can crush it. So do 50, start off with view contents or add to carts, get 50 of those, and then move to purchases. That being said, some products I've had, they do better off add to carts. And maybe that's because the conversion's easier and Facebook can optimize and there's not a huge fall off from add to cart to purchase, but some do better with purchase. So later on in your campaigns, you always want to use add to cart or purchases. I never really on late stage campaigns that are doing well, they gain sales. I'm never doing well just based off view contents. View contents is like a rush of traffic. Hey, Facebook, here's the data you need. And to be honest, I usually start campaigns with add to carts, sometimes view contents, but I always move to purchases. And if the purchases don't do as well as the add to carts, I just move back to add to carts. Don't be worried about switching up your conversion. It's fine. I'm going to call this Ad Chill Crossbody. And you saw how I launched that really quickly, right? Click launch ad. It's going to create the campaign, the video, all that good stuff. So that's another key. Like, people ask me, what's the key to success with dropshipping? It's finding winners. How do you find winners? Test more products. How do you test more products? Leverage tools like AdChill in order to test products quickly. Let me know in the comments below, what do you optimize for? What's your strategy? Are you optimizing for add to cards, view contents, purchases? When do you change them? You can see the campaign's just been launched. I could probably hit refresh over here and see it launched inside of my ads. It's kind of a test account here for my videos. But you can see the crossbody has been launched. Let me know below. What do you optimize for? Where do you see the best results? For me, it's usually add to carts. That's why I launched per add to cart. You can see the 5 ad sets been created, women 25 plus, to all those different interests. And I'll be able to see really quickly, is this a good product or no? If it is, I'll spend some more time on it. But the key is spend as little time as possible testing each product. You'll find more winners. You'll save more time. See the ad here. Pretty solid, right? So that's about it, guys. Make sure to go ahead and subscribe. If you don't already have AdChill, there should be a video showing you more about AdChill. Subscribe to the video, to the channel. I'll make more videos every single day. And yeah, hope you have an amazing day. I'll catch you in the next video.